Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you guys enjoy this video, drop a like on it, and if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to subscribe and maybe share the video to anyone that might need help in math. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Now today, our video we're going to be talking about is solving systems by multiplication. So we're still trying to find our x and our y where the two lines intersect, where the two equations, they're both in standard form. So we're still trying to do the same thing. I do want you guys to try to master addition and subtraction before coming into this video. We have another video on the channel if you guys want to look back to it and try to get a good grasp on it, because we're going to need it here as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys two different ways, because these two pairs of equations are the exact same. I'll show you two different ways. This one is more of step-by-step process for you guys to get the same basically the same process, and you'll get the answer every single time. It just might take a bit more work, a bit higher numbers, and this one will be a quicker way. So let's get to the first step by step. So what I want you guys to do is you're going to be multiplying both of these equations. So what we're going to be doing is this 5, we're going to be multiplying the top one by that number. Whatever the number is right here, we're going to be multiplying the first equation by it. And we're going to do the opposite for this one. So 3, we're going to multiply the bottom equation by whatever number is right here. So in this case, the 3. Now right here, we're going to be doing the distributive property, as you guys should know. But if not, we also have a video on the channel. We're going to do the distributive property, or as some people call it, the rainbow property, to both equations. So let me show you guys what you guys get. You guys get we get 15x, 5 times 3x, give 15x, plus 20y, 5 times 6 would give you 30. 3 times 5x would give you 15x, plus 6y equals, don't forget about the negative, negative 4 times 3, negative 12. Now we have this problem. And this problem looks very similar to the addition and subtraction that we have been doing. And you see right here, this 15x and this 15x, you see that they're the same. And what did I teach you guys what to do when they're the exact same thing, same sign? We're going to do subtraction. So what we're going to be doing is switching the sign of every single one on the bottom one. So we're going to be switching this to negative 15x. This one we're going to be switching to negative 6y, and this one to positive 12. And then we're going to change the whole problem into addition. So you see what I did there? Now this 15x plus negative 15x is going to go away, turn into 0. But we can forget about it. Now 20y plus negative 6y would give you 14y, and 30 plus 12 would give you 42. Now, because this is multiplication, you're going to divide by 14 on both sides. You might not be able to do this in your head. That is perfectly fine. Make sure you have a calculator with you so you guys can solve it. 42 divided by 14, you'd have y equals 3. And that would be your y coordinate. We're still trying to find our x. And in order to do that, we know our y. We can plug it into any of the equations we have right here. I will plug it into this first one, just because I like doing it on the first one. We're going to plug it into this y right here. So let me show you guys how to do that, because we're going to solve for x. 3x plus 4 times the 3 equals 6. Okay, simplify 3x. 4 times 3 is 12 equals 6. Move the 12 to the other side. So we want x by itself. We have 3x equals negative 6. Divide both sides by 3. Then we would have x, negative 6 divided by 3. We're going to have negative 2. And that is going to be our x value. So the point of intersection would be negative 2, comma 3. Now I'm going to show you guys this shortcut method. Here we're going to try to find where it's the easiest to subtract or add the problem. Right here, this 2 and this 4, we see that there are basically multiples of each other. So we can change this 2 into a 4 and also make it negative in order for it to cancel out, kind of how we did over here with this 15x and negative 15x. We're just trying to find out where it is able to be canceled out. So we're going to, let me show you guys, hopefully you guys can follow along. We're multiplying this entire thing by negative 2 because we want these two to cancel out, just because they look the easiest to do. The 4 and the 2, they're multiples of each other. So rewrite the top one. Do not change a single bit of the top one. And we're going to do this distributive property. Negative 2 times 5x will give you negative 10x. Negative 2 times 2y will give you negative 4y. Negative 2 times negative 4 will give you 8. And now you see that they're opposites of each other, as we have in addition when eliminating by addition. So we're going to add both. These two go away, and we have 3x plus negative 10x, we have negative 7x. 6 plus 8 would give you 14. Divide both sides by negative 7. We have x equals negative 2. And as you see, boom, x equals negative 2. And if we do plug it into the same thing, we'll have negative 6 plus 4y equals 6. Add 6 to both sides. You have 4y equals 12. Divide by 4, y equals 3. And you see that we get the exact same point on both ways to do it. I would probably recommend going with this one because every single time you're going to get the exact same thing. Same process. Remember, for this top number, multiplying it to this bottom equation. This number, you're going to be multiplying it to the top equation. I would probably say try to understand this one. And if you feel a bit more advanced, a bit more confident in your math skills, you can try this one out. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.